Flash. Oh, I think it's Flash. Let's Venom. Hey, is this Ironheart? Oh, it's his assistant. Iron's assistant. Oh, it's good. Okay, I think we're going to use this one. So that one? Oh, that's Deadpool. Except it's Gwen. So we're going to use that one. I like this one. Okay, we have this girl right now. Okay, we added a new team. So first, before we get to any more starting, let's go to the basics. If you want to start with your game, don't ever open anything until it's almost expiration date. See, there's unlimited time and there's 6 days trial. In 6 days trial, you can use that for many things. These things, 6 days, you can take them except for energy because next time you're going to need it. So, what are the best things to take before playing this game? I'm gonna note this one. There's the shortest one, recap compensation, Weber's Jessica Jones. This one is great. You can acquire them and not use them so much. Okay, we have acquired that. Just 3 days. You need to take that because if you forget, you won't have any ratings in life. Okay, we have. How about compensation? Oh, let's take this all. These things are naughty, so you don't have to use it. Unlike other things. Okay. Okay, let's open the compensation. What is this? Since he is uploading. We'll start to clear my stable map. Thank you for your understanding. I don't know what this is, but let's acquire this for some reason. Okay, let's go to the gift. Always check if it's unlimited. If it's unlimited, you can wait for it. Okay, these 6 stars are going to need it later. So you need to acquire it now, but you can't use it. But good. I know most of the characters, but there are new ones, so I don't know which one I will get. I don't like Kindle, and Mysterio is not so much powerful. Okay, let's exit first and check for the heroes. Because I'm new also to this game, I need to check which one I should use. First, check my hero. My hero is, my main hero is this. Okay, what's that? Oh, I can't check it yet. Okay, there's lagging again. Ay, this game when it's come to like this. Okay, now we go to heroes. I am hero, which is lagging. Okay, we are now going to check. Okay, what is that class? Is there a new type of class here? Okay, I can't check it yet. Maybe I'll go to Omni version. Oh shit, this game is lagging too much. Before we go there, let's go back. Let's change that setting because I can't seem to get a medium. Let's go medium. Okay, maybe the game will be better than this time. Always check the hero cards. Okay, Marvel Universe. Still, I forgot to check the other one. Okay, let's wait for this. always remember that the first trick of this game is the one you need to always do. Why? Why is this things so slow right now? Okay, I am those very strange Cyclops. Let's check Cyclops. Because I'm still playing the game. Okay, when leaders and passive. The passive is okay, radiation increases skill damage, increases bonus damage by 25. Okay, what's his passive? Plus 5 increase per energy attack. Okay, check by 50%, skill damage. That's like the other. But anti-man. Hey, we have anti-man. For some reason, we have this guy. Who is anti-man? He's a universal being. Okay, immune to cancel effect, increases foreign to critical hit, critical damage increases by 20%. How about Apocalypse? I think it's universal too. Okay, he's loading again. Increase skill damage, 25% increase bonus damage. No defense. Okay, we have another defense. I hate playing this game. So, man, who can we use? Okay, now we're checking. This is our team. So, info striker. This you at 2 times. This 15%. Because, oh, it's a low percentage for him. Maybe I just use Groot for some reason. Oh, Daisy Johnson. We can use her. Because her final skill is energy damage. More bang for your punch. This is the most point rate character I'm playing here. We're just going to Stacy Johnson. How about this one, Ulysses? I think this is a physical type. Let's see. This is burn, physical, guard against 5 hits. Hey, 5 hits guard. All allies. We're going with. Okay, we need to go to car. Where is KB? Okay, let's go. be thinking, why am I not taking this other girl? We're going to use Quake. What? You're using Quake? Why? It's so low. Not so much powerful. Yeah, she is not so good for team fights, but her power in the game is needed. Okay, plus Quake is not easy to get. I thought something. But if you need healers, then you can use Groot for some reason. Okay, we have Quake. This girl is so hard to get sometimes, so I'm contemplating if I use a healer or a fighter because I'm not seeing Groot. Maybe we should just use Groot for some reason. Nah, just use this. Okay, we have acquired the. We have acquired here. Sige pa. Sige pa. Okay, we have acquired here. Now all are in limited except for energy. Don't always open the energy. Hero chest, we won't get that later, so let's go back now. It's 40 days, let's start with it. What's great about opening 6 stars already? So this is when we get creative for some reason. The game is easier to end with a 6-star hero, so that's why I open it already. Yeah, it makes you look like a loser in that lane. But what can you do if you need a girl that can destroy the enemy? Let's open. No, that's Jessica Jones. Okay, we have. Oh shit! I forgot. Oh, let's go back. Okay. Let's open this. Let's go. Okay, female team. All female team for some reason. Now let's start playing this game. It's great to do it the easy way, but you have to play this. Oh shit. See, the story mode is the only easy part in this game. After that, you'll get to go hard and grind so many times. That's why I choose many characters that I can use to go at the top and easily beat opponents easily. I choose Quake because her character is one of the most needed one in the game. I don't know how I got Jessica Jones, but I will not use that for some stupid thing. Okay, how long am I streaming right now? because of my internet has been taken down by Twitch, so that's why okay, we're back. I want to do autoplay, but I can't do autoplay right now. Okay, let's change my hero. I am hero. Let's use you. Ah, sorry about that. Okay, punch them all.